As the summer crowd despair and the crisp autumn air descends upon the continent, Europe reveals a different kind of magic in October. From vibrant cityscapes to tranquil countryside, this guide will unveil some of the most captivating destinations that are their prime during this time of year. So let's grab our scarves and explore the best place to visit in Europe in October. Number 1, Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon, Portugal is fantastic choice for an October getaway. Here are some information to help you plan your trip. Expected weather in Lisbon, Portugal in October. In October, Lisbon experiences pleasant weather with average temperatures. While the days are still warm, evening might be slightly cooler, so it is good idea to pack layers. It's generally a dry month with minimal rainfall, allowing you to explore the city comfortably. Lisbon is well connected and easily accessible by air, rail, and road. If you are arriving for a board, Lisbon Portela Airport is the major international airport in the city, with direct flight from various destinations. From the airport, you can take the taxi, airport shuttle, or even use public transportation like the metro or bus to reach the city center. Best place to stay in Lisbon, Portugal. Best place to stay in Lisbon, Portugal. Best place to Number 1, Baixa and Kiado. The Central District offers a mix of traditional and modern charm. You will find a variety of accommodation from boutique hotels to style apartments. Staying here puts you with walking distance of popular attractions, shops, and restaurants. Number 2, Alfama. Known for its narrow streets, historic buildings, and fado music, Alfama is one of Lisbon's oldest neighborhoods. It's offers a unique and authentic atmosphere. Consider staying in a cozy guest house or a traditional fado themed hotel to immerse yourself in the local culture. Number 3, Bairro Alto. If you are looking for a vibrant and lively neighborhood, Bairro Alto is the place to be. This district is famous for its nightlife, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues. It is a great choice for those seeking in an energetic and social experience. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, Croatia is a stunning destination known for its picturesque old town, ancient city walls, and breathtaking Adriatic sea view. Here are some information to help you plan your visit. Expect weather in Dubrovnik, Croatia in October. October marks the transition from summer to autumn in Dubrovnik. The weather is generally mild and pleasant, with average temperature ranging from 14 and 57 to 21 Celsius. While it's not as hot as the peak summer month, you can still enjoy pleasant day for outdoor activities. It's advisable to pack a light jacket or sweater for the evening, as temperature may drop slightly. Best way to reach Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik has its own international airport, Dubrovnik Airport, which offers direct flights from major cities across Europe. From the airport, you can take a taxi, shuttle bus, or arrange private transportation to reach the city center. If you are already in Croatia or planning to explore the country, you can also reach Dubrovnik by bus or ferry. The city is well connected to other major cities in Croatia, such as Split and Zagreb, making it convenient to incorporate Dubrovnik into your itinerary. Best place to stay in Dubrovnik, Croatia. Old Town. Staying within the historic walls of Dubrovnik Old Town offers a unique experience. You will be surrounded by narrow streets, historic building, and charming square. There are several boutique hotels, guest house, and apartment available for accommodation. Keep in mind that staying in the old town can be livelier and busier during the day when cruise ship visitors explore the area. Lapat. Located west of the old town, Labat is a popular neighborhood for travelers seeking a more relaxed and beach-focused atmosphere. You'll find a range of accommodation from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hotels. Labat offers beautiful beaches, such seaside promenades, and a variety of restaurants and cafes. Athens, Greece. Athens, the historical capital of Greece, is a city that seamlessly blends ancient wonder with vibrant modernity. Here are some information to help you plan your visit to Athens. Expected weather in Athens, Greece in October. October is wonderful time to visit Athens as the stifling summer heat starts to fade. The weather remains pleasant warm with average temperatures ranging from 16 to 24 Celsius. Days are mostly sunny and the evening becomes slightly cooler, so it is advisable to pack some light layers. It is great time to explore the city without the intense summer crowd. Best way to reach Athens, Greece. Athens is well connected internationally, and Athens International Airport serves as the major entry point. It offers direct flight from various destinations worldwide. From the airport, you can easily reach the city center by taking a taxi, airport shuttle bus, or using the metro, which is convenient and affordable option. If you are already in Greece, Athens is well connected by domestic flight, trains, and buses from the other major cities. Additionally, ferries operate between Athens and the Greek island, providing an opportunity to combine your visit to Athens with island hopping. Best place to stay in Athens, Greece. Number 1, Plaka. Located to the foot of the Acropolis. Plaka is one of Athens' oldest neighborhoods and a popular choice for a visitor. It is over a charming atmosphere with no streets, neoclassical building, and numerous tavernas and cafes. You will find a range of accommodation options, including boutique hotels and guest house, within walking distance of major attractions. Number 2, Monastiraki. Situated near the Asian Agora and the Monastiraki Flea Market, this lively neighborhood is perfect for those who want to be at the heart of the action. Monastiraki offers a vibrant atmosphere, bustling squares, and a wide selection of restaurants and shops. There are various accommodation choices from the budget-friendly hostels to mid-range hotels. Remember, each destination has its own unique charm and attraction waiting to be explored. So let your wanderlust lead the way and make this October a month of unforgettable experience, lifelong memories, and a deeper appreciation for the wonders of Europe. Safe travels, fellow adventurer, and may your October journey to Europe be filled with joy, discover, and moments that will stay with you forever. Until the next time, happy exploring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like.